part 2 of our Sims 4 experiment tutorial. This is the most important thing you should learn. Open a Microsoft Excel document and put the columns like this in row 1. Required composition, clubs, experiments, repeat are course of ending, progress, base score, multiplier, intensity, final score, burden the course penalty, health, strength, class conductivity, resistance, reward, summary, and radio nerve. But if you finish that, the rows will be in one line, and like this. Mark the entire sheet and make blacking rules for blank values and errors. Don't correct anything. With column A, mark conditional formatting with 2 color scale like this. For J and M, you need this, a 3 color scale. So the type of every value needs to be a number, the value for minimum needs to be 0, the midpoint value needs to be 10,000, and the maximum needs to be 100 million. With the minimum will be pitch black, the midpoint will be dark blue, and the maximum will be dark red. This is known as a 3 color scale. For K, row K, you need the same. Shut up, alarm. But put 1 and 10 in midpoint and max. For L, it's the same as K, but 9 is the max. For column N, it's in reverse. The colors are in reverse, and you need 1, 5, and 100 for minimum, midpoint, and max. For column O, it's the same as column K, but you need 25 and 75 for the midpoint and the maximum. For column P, it's the same as column K, but you need 110,000 for the midpoint and the maximum. For column Q, it's the same as L, but you need 2 and 8 for the midpoint and the maximum. For column R, it's the same as N, but you need 1, 3, and 4 for minimum, midpoint, and maximum. And finally, for S, it's the same as K, but the minimum, midpoint, and maximum are 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000 respectively. Set row G to the Webdings font, except G1, which will be set back to the body font. Put equals 0.25 plus bracket L2 times 0.75 bracket in K2 equals L1 plus bracket log bracket M110 bracket minus L1 bracket times 0.5 bracket in L2 equals J2 times K2 in M2 equals roundup bracket 1 divided by L3, 0 in N2 equals bracket 100 times bracket L2 minus 2 bracket multiplied by 0.5 in O2 equals round bracket power bracket 10, L2 bracket L2 minus 3 bracket 0 P2 equals round bracket L2 minus 1, 0 bracket in Q2 equals round bracket 4 minus bracket L2 divided by 3 bracket 0 in R2 and equals 10 exponented by bracket L2 times 0.5 bracket plus 2 bracket in S2. Drag these formulas down to 500 and set L2 to 1. If you are new to Excel, what you're writing above are formulas. When you want to do an experiment, put under the last experiment, none under the required comma, column, 6 sims under the clubs column, classing negated in the composition column, review outfits in experiments column, 1 in the repeat column, 4 in the R column, Y in ending column, and structure in the progress column. Set the intensity of the current experiment for formula to value, such as copying the industrial tile and then pasting its value. If you've done it correctly, it should look like this.